Hello, I'm Teresa. I'm a Muddle Best. I'm working to declutter my house, get it back in order. Yesterday, you saw me starting on decluttering my shoes. Today, I'm going to finish decluttering them. And decluttering isn't always easy. You saw me yesterday putting some to the side, thinking I might wear them. Yeah, I've got my daughter's wedding coming up. I might need a pair to wear to the wedding, but honestly, I'm not sure that I'm ever going to wear them again. But at the same time, there are some pair that I will probably keep just because they might remind me of a special time when I wore them, a special event that I wore them to or something. For me, it's the sentimental items that are hard, right? But that's okay. I can set them to the side, leave them be, get rid of what I can, what's easy for me to get rid of. And then maybe in a month or two, I might decide I really don't want them. Get rid of them then. Um, so, but we'll see how it goes. We'll see how many I wind up keeping. Um, but I went ahead and grabbed another box um, to hopefully finish with this part, of the decluttering process, just the shoes, getting rid of them, and then I'll start another area, I guess. Um, so I'm going to go ahead and see what I can find to get rid of. Hopefully it's a lot. Oh my gosh, I've already filled up a box. So it's a pretty hefty box. That's okay because I brought a second box with me to start. So I've got one great big box filled, and I've got another box started of stuff to get rid of. So this feels good. And looking at my shelf, I kept 8 pairs. So out of everything that was there, and that shelf looks so much better than it did yesterday. So it's a start, with everything that's down in this basement, you know, it really doesn't make a dent, but it does at the same time. If you just fill one box a day, whenever you can, just take that time to do it, and eventually over time you're going to see a difference, but it's going to take time, and I know that. So I've been married 30 years, and we've collected a lot of stuff, and we've taken in a lot more than what we've actually got rid of over the years. And my daughter at one time that was the cat. um, My daughter had moved back in, and so at one point we had a whole second house full of furniture and things in this basement, and she moved out. She took a lot of it with her, but she didn't take everything. So we still got a lot down here left to get rid of and do something with. So I think there's still a little bit more down here that she wants that we will eventually um, take to her and her house. But in the meantime, I'm going to work on what I can, do what I can, when I can. So, uh, life is busy right now, but, if I can get one box a day, I'm good with that. Well, you have a good day, and I will see you soon.